Next, a cylindrical vessel of diameter 4 cm is partly filled with water. 300 lead balls are dropped in it. The rise in water level is 0.8 cm. Then the diameter of each ball is, see, this is a cylindrical vessel, is partly filled with water. We don't know where it is. Let's assume up to H it is there. Okay, water is up to H. Then we drop these lead balls in it, 300 lead balls, and water rises by 0.8, right? So volume increases by 0.8. So we have to find the diameter of each ball. Okay. So earlier volume was what? Pi into r square into h, pi into 2 square into h, right? So 4 pi h. After balls drop, what happens? New volume equals to pi into r square into h plus 0.8, right? H plus 0.8. Okay. So difference is what? Solve this. Pi into 2 square, difference means this minus this. So pi into 2 square into 0.8, right? Next. Now this difference in water level is because of what? Because of the lead balls. So this is the volume of the lead balls, right? Density of lead is assumed to be 1. So volume of one lead ball equals to this 4 upon 3 into pi r cube, means because it's a sphere. So 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. So we have 300 balls. So 4 upon 3 into pi r cube into 300 equals to this volume, right? Pi into 4 into 0.8. See this. This is brought on the left hand side and this is brought on the right hand side, and 300 over here. Okay. So go on solving. Pi gets cancelled. Many things get cancelled and we get r cube equals to 0.008. So if cube is 0.008, r will be what? 0.2. Because if you multiply this 0.2 into 0.2, 0.04 into 0.2 is 0.008. So radius you get 0.2 centimeter. So diameter is 0.4, 2 times. So that is the volume of each lead ball. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version.